remember the first day I met shorty like it was yesterday. On a double date that Jeanette put in place. I didn't know what to expect or what to say. The first time I laid eyes on a gorgeous face and beautiful complexion, I took my breath away. Stunning in a summer dress, someone checked my heart rate. Beating on my chest like a gorilla threats, all prey. As I reach across the table in awe of what God made. Exchange names with a handshake. Before we ate at Sushi Palace, I'm Alex Yadida, nice to meet ya. A Dominican broad from the Bronx, she's a keeper. Whose favorite store is Victoria's Secret. Shh, I'ma leave it at that. She's sweeter than honey jack, and she feeling this Puerto Rican and Cuban. A lovely match we would make, like the memory made. I'm lucky, looking backwards into the eyes of a soldier that proudly serves a country. I make words go dance in the flames as we stroll down memory lane and reminisce on the memories made. I'll never be the same. No, she's so fly with incredible taste. Her classy style turns heads into place. A lovely smile on that beautiful face takes my breath away. Oh, I'll never forget her in a salmon-colored dress with high heels. On the next date, shades with a hair straight as she steps out of a car, leaving a trailblaze. When she walks on the pavement, is this the same chick I met the other day? While I'm staring in amazement, I'm so high off the smell of a fragrance. It's like love in the air passing by on occasion. She's so fly like a getaway to the Cayman Islands on a plane is. She looking dangerous, life on the edge of a cliff, taking the risk, wondering if you gon' make it. Back to the day I remember, church in the morning, then hit a diner for breakfast when time was invested. Numbers exchanged within seconds, the rest of the day was a blessing. Spending time in the presence, I wish the night never ended when we said our goodbyes, but not to an unforgettable memory kept alive. I make words go dance in the flames as we stroll down memory lane and reminisce on the memories made. I'll never be the same. No, she's so fly with incredible taste. Her classy style turns heads into place. A lovely smile on that beautiful face takes my breath away. Oh, I'm on a plane headed home. I had canceled the date we were supposed to have and let it go to pursue another road, which was a dead end. Will I ever see her again? I don't know, cause she's so far. We're 1,000 miles apart, but just a phone call away with her name on my heart one day. So I texted, not expecting a response. I was wrong, and the next thing you know, we're on the phone a lot. Late